suspension geometry, wheel alignment, car tracking. Different people call it different things, but I don't think everyone is getting the most out of it and are not exploiting it as much as they should be. So today, we're gonna go get our alignment done. We're gonna find out how much of a difference it makes. Whatever you wanna call it, it's all a bit of a dark art. And a lot of people only really talk about it, like me to be fair, when the steering wheel's out of whack and you gotta turn left to go straight. So this video is really about just how important, transformative a suspension geometry or tracking or alignment from a really good place can be. Now I hope that Luke is gonna deliver, because I'm filming this on the way to White Rose Motors, which is where Luke operates, and I have no idea if it's actually gonna make that much difference. I'm hoping it will, but I don't actually know. So make sure you watch the video to find out if it actually transforms the car in the way that, fingers crossed, I'm hoping it will. Geo with me in the car. That's a long way down. Pretty cool. Right, so I've just got back from Luke. The car is aligned. All the spice has been applied. I'm just gonna walk you through this tracking sheet, just to let you know what he's actually done. So basically, that was upside down. Honestly, this doesn't really tell the story, so I'd rather just tell you the story. One of the front wheels was slightly skew width, that was causing the wheel to not be straight. Whoever picked up on that is a bloody legend, because I didn't even notice it, but once I noticed it, I couldn't unnotice it, and I feel like it got a little bit worse over time as well. The car is now basically perfectly aligned. The overall whatever is 0, and Luke had me sit in the car while he set it up. The balance didn't affect anything once I got in it. Very cool. And what he's done as a fast road setup is he's pointed both front wheels slightly out. That's called toe out. Basically the idea is, when you, say for example, you've got your wheel, it's slightly turned out. When you go to turn, it's already there. So it should make a big difference to how the steering feels, is what I'm being told. We will get out on the road and we will find out. I just wanted to show you guys something before we get into the really good stuff. The job on tracking that this man has done is phenomenal. Look at this, it's a gentle left. I just need the tiniest amount of left hand down to go around this left, right? It's absolutely perfect. I have never had an alignment this good before. I know it seems like such a small thing, but I have had many alignments over the years, and I've never had one that's like this precise. Like, my off-center response is that. That is all the movement in the wheel for it to not change the direction of the car. It's honestly crazy. Like, look how little steering input I need to go around that. I'm sorry, I get excited about the weirdest things, but this just gets me going. I love it. It's just, you can tell it's someone that cares. I'm really excited to get onto some really good roads and see how those toe changes that he's made affect the steering and how the car handles through some really good corners. I'll catch up with you there. Super excited to see how this actually feels on some good roads. Okay, it is time. I'm on one of my favorite country roads. It's time to put the car in the mode that I love. And it's time to see how much of a difference this actually makes. immediately. Oh my god, I thought I had quick steering before. Wow. Wow. I thought I had quick steering before. And the steering is more alive. It responds to the camber a little bit more. These are things I can feel within like 10 seconds of a spirited drive. Oh, I love this car even more. Do you know what's crazy? It's like, sometimes you do, old cars that I've had, you do mods and they make a difference, but like, maybe they make the car worse in some ways. Like you do an exhaust and yeah, it's fun, but it's also annoying as shit sometimes. Oh, I see no downside to this whatsoever. Like better steering, who doesn't want better steering? Steering's like my favorite thing in the world. And this bloody guy Luke's improved it. That's very hard to do. Megane RS is a bloody good car. There's a few of my favorite corners coming up. I'm gonna enjoy this so much. I'm not even going that hard now, but when we get to these, this is it. This is a little hairpin, I believe. Oh my god. Oh. This one too. Let's try not to kill this pickup. Rule 2, don't die. Oh. I mean, it's still a Megane RS. It still drives like it did before. But the steering is just... One second, I've got to concentrate here. And relax. The steering just has like this immediateness. There's like, before it felt like you had to turn the wheel more to get the tire to bite into the ground, but it feels like that happens sooner now. Oh, I'm a happy boy. I'm such a happy boy. Luke, you absolute legend, mate. Guy knows what he's doing. And it might be difficult to see these things on camera, but when you feel it, you understand. Like, it's pretty crazy what a difference it makes. I do feel like there's a touch more torque steer, perhaps. Like, I didn't used to feel it coming out of corners. Let's try and go around that pothole. Hey, big win. But the steering feels quicker. The steering definitely feels quicker. God, yes. Guys, forget everything else. Go and get yourself a proper wheel alignment from a specialist that knows what he or she is doing. I had no idea this much more potential was in the car. It feels insane. Like, God above. Let's not die here. That's a lot of debris. It's very windy today, so the road's a bit of a mess, but my God. Yeah, do you know what it feels like? It feels like someone's put a quicker steering rack in this car. Nuts. I will say that the car's really sensitive to camber now. So like, some of these corners are quite banked in weird ways because it's just like a public B road. Don't die, bird, thank you. And the car's very sensitive to the camber now. You can feel it. Like, here, maybe if there's a straight, I'll give you a little demonstration. There ain't no straights on this road. This is my favorite road for a reason. But basically, if you let go of the steering wheel, I tested this on the motorway earlier. Oh, no, let me stop talking. Fun to be had. Oh my God. Grip is insane. And the feel is insane. Oh, I love it. I'm falling in love with it all over again. Wow. 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 Luke, you've done a good job, mate. You've smashed it. You've smashed it. You've actually smashed it. Oh, I have a massive smile on my face right now. That feels incredible. Wow. I'm almost speechless. You know, I'm not really one for modding cars. I've done mods before and they haven't improved the car and they've just made everything worse and I haven't really enjoyed it. So I'm kind of hesitant. But this, people say a good setup will transform your car. They are not joking. This is transformative. And we've got more to go. See that national speed limit sign in the distance? Oh yes. We are gonna have some fun. Oh yes. Can you see the wheel bobbing about? Yeah, that's the geo. That's the alignment. This looks very sketchy. As always, I'm not looking to die. We'll have some fun, but we ain't dying today. Yeah, the like any bump, it's accentuated the bump steer. So all the bumps and like the weirdness in the road affect the steering a lot more now. A lot more than it did before. Which I don't hate. I love steering feedback. And that is... Oh my God. British B-roads, boys. Quick steering helps. Oh, I'm having the time of my life. This is great. Oh, Luke, you've actually made my car better. Absolutely smashed it, mate. Absolutely smashed it. I never imagined that big of a difference could be possible from twiddling a couple of screws under the bloody wheels. But it's phenomenally cool what Luke has done. To be honest, like going into it, I thought it was all just like marketing speak, like that's his thing, you know, so he's selling it. It's really, really, really good. Like shockingly good. The best way to describe it is before, when the steering wheel was slightly skew-whiff, what you would feel in corners is that the car would be more eager to turn one way than the other way. I think it was if I turned left, it was quite lazy. And if I turned right, it was really darty. But with everything that he's done, it's now darty in both directions. Crazy. So cool. So cool. Very, 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 very cool. He's absolutely smashed it. I'm super, super happy. Thank you to him. This is not a sponsored video. I paid him money. I wanted his services. It's really good. Really, really, really good.